For over 100 years, Epsilon Sigma Phi has been a special organization because of its special members. We are honoring a one-of-a-kind member, Art Redinger.
The handmade wooden ESP key has a rich history in the organization. The key has been handmade by Art Redinger of Indiana every year since 1993. The first key was delivered to the first national ESP meeting in San Antonio, Texas at the scholarship auction. It was intended to go to the outgoing president, Pat Buchanan. Richard Angus of Maryland was the 1993 incoming national president, and he was very interested in the key. He ended up outbidding Pat, but the following day, they arranged for Pat to be the first recipient and started the tradition of giving the outgoing president the key. In 1994, Art made 2 keys, one for the auction for the outgoing president, Richard R. Angus, and one for Gail Shelberg, executive director from 1990 to 1994, as a gift from the National Board for his service as he left the office. Gail remembered that Pat Buchanan had to pay a good price for her key in San Antonio. Art's gifts extend beyond woodworking, as he is extremely giving of his time in his community. He served as a county extension agent for 34 years and was especially involved with 4-H programming and Epsilon Sigma Phi. He also volunteered with the Lions Club, his church, and several Union County boards. Art held demonstrations of pioneer woodworking for 20 years at the Indiana State Fair, meeting and educating thousands of community members. He also donated several hand-hewed benches to assist community organizations with fundraising over the years. Art has made a priceless contribution to ESP as a member and woodworker over the past 29 years. On behalf of all the members in Epsilon Sigma Phi, we sincerely thank Art for sharing his art with us.
Hi everyone, I'm Patty Keating and I am the first pandemic president of the Indiana chapter. And I won't say that Art's plaque was my main reason for wanting to run for president of our Alpha Lambda chapter, but it was a consideration. So being the pandemic president, I don't have the honor of having everyone sign the back of my plaque like it has been the tradition in Indiana for so many years, but I do have the most important thing, and that is Art's initials. Thank you so much for supporting. I will treasure this always, Art, and have it hanging on my wall. Thanks.
Hi Art, this is Rayanne O'Neill from Area 7, and I just want to congratulate you on all your accomplishments. My memories of you are primarily from 4-H camp. We had a lot of fun. We enjoyed you guarding the Mason-Dixon line, and with that I won't add any more details, but also the fun that we had with you leading recreation those many years, teaching line dancing and leading the kids in recreation. You kept them moving, and we always appreciated that. I wish for you the best.
I remember the year I got the plaque. I was so honored to receive the plaque. I also remember a lot of things about you and Sally, about all the work at the Indiana State Fair, about the conversations we had, about your checking all the milk routes and everything. Great memories. We hope you have a great many years ahead of you yet, but thanks for everything that you've done.
Art, this is Mark Russell, and I was president of our Alpha Lambda chapter in 1999. Congratulations on your great contributions as an educator, as a craftsman, as a teacher at the state fair, and we have so many strong memories at the national level and at the chapter level. So congratulations and thank you very much for all you've contributed.
Hi Art, this is Susan Plasmeyer, and I just wanted, I was co-chair of the national conference when it was in Indianapolis, and I remember it was very important to them at the national organization at that time for you to be at the Indianapolis conference to recognize you for all that you've done for the national ESP. And I will say that as a past state president, and retiree, one of my most treasured possessions is my plaque that you make for the state presidents and that everybody signed. So I want to thank you for all that you've done for the organization and for Purdue Extension.
Hi Art, it's Alan Nader. Appreciate everything you've done over the years, and going back to our Hoosier Recreation Workshop, and more recently that Diane and I certainly enjoyed the cruise with ESP that we did with you and Sally to the Panama Canal. and got to know you even better because we really never worked in the same district, worked in the same state. But congratulations for all you've done for Extension and lots of young people over these years that you've influenced. And again, congratulations for both Diane and I.
Art, Bev Morgan, we go way back, Extension and some family connections with Linda and Charles and everything. We go way back with Hoosier Recreation Workshop, and I just want to thank you for all that you've done for Extension over the years and sharing your woodworking with everyone. You deserve this recognition, and we are so proud of you.
Hi Art, it's Gracie Merlat, and I just want to thank you for all that help 45 years ago, and you and Larry getting me started off in my Extension career. I drove by Versailles and was wondering if I could ever find Hasma Hills again, but we had many great times, and I sure appreciate your support. Tell Sally hello.
Hi Art, this is Mary Schumann, and I just want to thank you for your sharing your talents, your woodworking talents, making the plaques for all of us. And I would like to say, just last week I ran across the plaque that you made when I was president in 1985, and I so enjoyed looking at all the names and the memories that you shared. Thank you so much for sharing your talent with both our Alpha Lambda chapter and national. Thanks again.
Hi Art, Maureen Cook here. I remember all the national meetings that we attended together. So excited that you are getting rewarded and getting acknowledged for all the things that you have done at the national level, but we know all these things that you have helped us with on the state level. I still have that little recreation thing with the wooden piece with the string attached to it, and I can't remember how to use it. So maybe you could send me the directions on how to use that. Congratulations, Art.
Hi, Art. Pat Dunham here. Worked with you and just enjoyed working in your county so well. I miss seeing Sally, and say hi to her for me, and congratulations.
On behalf of the National Board and all of our Epsilon Sigma Phi members, we thank you, Art. You're an amazing man.